Hola! Let's compare Google's Bard and ChatGPT. These two are language models which have been developed by technology companies, but they have some key differences as we are going to see. First and foremost is on their training data. Bard is trained on a diverse range of internet texts, while ChatGPT is built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3, which is trained on a massive dataset of diverse internet text, and this includes books, articles, and websites. Secondly, is on the model size. Bard is significantly smaller in size compared to GPT-3, which powers ChatGPT, and this is one of the largest language models ever developed. Next is on the purpose. Bard is designed to be a conversational AI model, while ChatGPT is a general-purpose language model that can perform a variety of tasks, including conversation, translation, summarization, and even much more. Last but not least, currently, Bard is only available to select research partners, while ChatGPT can be accessed by developers through OpenAI's API and even the general public. In summary, while both models share the goal of advancing the state-of-the-art in language models, they differ in their training data, size, purpose, and accessibility. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe. Ciao.